So this has, it's rated at 150 foot-pounds of torque. So that's pretty good for most of your everyday use of what you're going to use it for. I'm primarily use this for working on cars. I went earlier to remove a lug nut and it took it off just fine. It has 3 variable speeds right here. 1, 2, 3. So 1's the lowest and 3's the highest. And it changes the torque and the speed output of the impact wrench or impact driver. So for example, it's on 1 right now. You can see the speed of it. And then I'll put it on 3. And so it changes speeds. I'm not sure if you notice it, but I'll put it back on 1 and I'll do a reverse. So it's kind of slow right there. And then it's on 3 now. So it's faster. I'm not sure if it captured in the video, but that's what it is. And also it has a LED light to help you work on spots that are a little bit tighter and require a little bit more light to see in those corners. This thing is super light and it goes around your hand really well. It also comes with a really good value in a sense where the battery for this thing is really cheap. This battery costs $15 and they go up anywhere from $15 all the way up to $50 for the more expensive ones. And so if you ever need to replace a battery, it's only $15. So you don't have to go out and spend for some of the other brands like $50 up to $100 to replace a battery. And so this thing is a great thing, super great for all your everyday needs, and I recommend it. I ended up paying for the tool only was $100. The battery was $15. You get a charger. The charger was another, I believe, $40 or $50. Let's say $50. So you're in this tool for about $170 out the door. This one. So I took that one off previously. Just like that, comes off. Pretty easy. There you go.